Basically, why, if someone's on the fence joining Rea, why should they come to Rea?
Because they get to work with me. One of the advantages of this role is that it can be tailored in so many different directions. It could be where somebody spends the majority of their time processing payroll and payroll reports. We also have specialists who spend a lot of their time doing QuickBooks and training, consulting around how do small businesses use QuickBooks. If you think of what traditional accounting looks like, that's what this role entails. It is doing your month-end closes, it's doing your year-end preparations, getting everything ready so it's nice and cleaned up for the tax returns or the financial statements.
There are definitely going to be opportunities to grow. There are opportunities to specialize in certain areas that you enjoy working in or are focused in. But another really good thing about Rea, you're not bored with what you're doing. You do a full range of work in this position as an accounting specialist. You'll do bookkeeping, financial statements, payroll, taxes. It's a full range of accounting work.
Within this role, there's currently 3 different levels. There is an accounting specialist, there's a senior accounting specialist, and a supervisor accounting specialist. But within those titles, this role, each person really defines how they want to take it. So if somebody really likes the consulting aspect, they're going to put more and more time in consulting, and they'll start to be recognized across the firm as a specialist in that area. If somebody likes to do more of the technical side and likes to do the adjusting entries and the traditional accounting roles, they can focus more of their time in that role. So it's each person can almost design their own specialty. Our belief is that people do best when they love their job. So one of my goals is to find out what do people love to do, and then to allow them to create a career that focuses on what they love doing.
I look for candidates that have experience, accounts receivable, accounts payable, invoice, payroll experience. Also, if they have experience with financial statements. Once a candidate applies, I review their resume just to make sure they meet all the minimum qualifications, and then we schedule a phone interview. From there, if they do well in the phone interview, we move them on to the assessment. It's not a pass or fail test, but just gives us another look at them as a candidate. And then from there, decisions are made on who moves forward, and then the next step would be to interview with the office, the leadership in the office. The culture at Rea is great. I mean, that's what led me to the firm. That's why I stay. Everybody is willing and ready to help. So if you have questions, don't be afraid to ask questions. Questions are encouraged because that's how you learn and grow in your role. I still have questions every day, and I learn new things every day. And that's okay. That's encouraged. So it's definitely the people. Everybody's really nice and welcoming, and it's a very family atmosphere. We do fun things, we're very work hard, but have fun along the way.
I would choose Rea because they have excellent benefits. From day one, you start earning PTO. A new hire earns 4 weeks of PTO in a year. You're not going to find that anywhere else. You have PTO, paid holidays, people to cover your work while you're off, and then just our excellent work atmosphere.